I guess this is probably the best way to show you the swales. Hiya gang, welcome back to Crazy Life Homestead. We're back to the rain. Sorry about the wind. I don't know if we're going to be here that long, but we'll see. Let's go check out our horses and see what they're doing. What are we all doing? Oh, we're chasing each other again. These two go at it all the time. The Appaloosa right here, Leilani, she seems to be the dominant one. As you can see, it's just one big puddle. The horses are fine. And the game begins again. Bella's game. I guess this is probably the best way to show you the swales. So, with all the rain, this is just part of it. It goes on more down there. I guess they had a good rain up here because the chairs are knocked over. Okay, so as you can see, it's a muddy mess again. One more time. It's supposed to be like this all night long. I think it's supposed to be a drizzle. I'll check the forecast, but I don't think we're going to get any more rain than what we've got now. As you can see, the horses are pretty wet. It's about 55 degrees out here. They're okay. If it was cold, I'd be concerned, but of course there goes Mr. Trust. They're not. They can run around and get themselves warmed up. The food is doing them just fine. I've checked belly temperatures and they're okay. Their bellies are nice and dry, as you can see from her shoulder. So even though it's raining again, sorry about the wind. I hope you can hear me. It's just taking the tour again, walking up and down. Like I said, everything still looks good. I'm not hearing anybody cough. They're all doing pretty well back there. If they weren't, then we'd have an issue. But I think we're okay. Again, I'm just checking droppings and making sure nobody has any runs or black. But it all seems to be good. They're eating the cubes just fine. Other than that, I think we're okay. For now. Next week might be a different story. Let's see, we're on December 14th. So we're about 10 days away from Christmas, and it's just a matter of what that week holds, because they were having forecasts of really weird weather sweeping through. It's supposed to get really cold, but it's supposed to be dry, and then it's supposed to get wet. So I'll let you know. If you're all interested, I am watching Ryan Hall Y'all on YouTube. He also has an extra channel, Ryan Hall Y'all Extra. So if you're interested in looking at that, look him up. He's been pretty accurate so far. I'm pretty happy with his predictions. You're such a cutie. You're such a cutie patootie. Yes, you are. You're such a cutie patootie. Put your little target mark on you. I love that little target mark. I could never get it on camera. A couple of videos back I was telling you about trails that the horses make. Well, the deer also do make these trails, and they follow the horse trails also. That's where those 3 does come up last week from back here. They followed the horse's trail up. They'll hide their scent from a coyote through the horses. I think this is the one they took up, yeah. You can see it's really defined now. But this is probably the one that they took up when they were coming up to me when I videotaped that day. Now I know this is a horse trail because I'm falling into the hoof marks. Again, it's still sloppy back here. There's a lot of puddling. Somebody parked over there, I don't know why. Probably hunting. I tell you, if I had my bow that day, there'd be one on the ground. I am licensed for Tennessee. I'm still in Tennessee. What'd you do with the bug? What'd you do with the bug? I think I have to go find the bug. Bug, bug! Bug, bug! Oh, there you are. I see her. She's camouflaged right there. Come on, bug, bug. You'll see her in just a second. Bug, bug. There she is. Sneaking on out. Good girl. I'm taking a poopies. Doing my poopies. Come on, Squirt. Let's go. Good girl. Alright. Okay, I've dropped the cubes. All in their stalls and all. Let them finish eating. Alright, y'all. I'll see you tomorrow. Come on. And with that, I'm going to bid you adieu. Stay warm, stay dry, stay safe. I'll see you on the next video. One, two. We ready? Okay.